Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are trying some fragrances from Estee Lauder. I have been accumulating a few fragrances to make this fragrance haul from Estee Lauder. So I have a few mini fragrances and a few big bottles to try. Since we are already getting close to summer, in just a few days, maybe one more week, June 21st is officially summer here in Texas. To be exact, June 21 in the northern hemisphere, we officially gonna be in summer. So, and I'm going to try a few fragrances for you to wear during this summer season. And most of them, I think all of them are first impression and blind buys, because I never smelled them before, but they have been on my list. Some of them, they have been on my list for a very long time, but I was waiting for an opportunity to purchase them, and I been accumulating a few since last year. When I see sales or if they are discounted in some stores, online stores, I purchase them. I think I pay good price for some of the fragrances. And some of the fragrances I order from Fifth Avenue and directly from the Estee Lauder online store. Last time they had a 30% off or 30 or 35% off promotion. So I took advantage of the promotion and I got a few scents for summer. So let me show you what I ordered, and we are going to do the first impression of all these fragrances today. And also, I hope I like them all. So this is gonna be first impression blind buy from Estee Lauder, Estee Lauder fragrance haul. Let's begin. Okay, let's unbox the first ones, and I'm gonna take everything out of the boxes and the bags, and then I'm going to spray them all in these little perfume tester slips or perfume blotter. I'm not sure what's the name. I'm gonna call them perfume tester slips. So I have this bag from Macy's. I don't remember when I got it, but I have a few perfumes there. I have another bag from Macy's. They have good promotions sometimes. I ordered this Belk. I'm gonna leave the link of all these online stores in the description box of this video, so you can go and check them out. I'm not sure if they are still on special, but when I bought all these, I bought them at a special price with coupons and with my Macy's money or some other promotions that they had. This box is from Fifth Avenue, so we are going to open this box. And this box is from Estee Lauder, from their website. So let me open the ones I have in the bags first, and then after I take everything out of the boxes and the bags, then I will begin spray them all and testing them all. So I got this fragrance from Macy's, so let's see what I have inside. Ooh, I got this beautiful magnolia. I got only the travel size because I didn't know if I was going to like the full bottle of this. So this is beautiful magnolia. The other perfume I got from Macy's is this Bronze Goddess Nui. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Bronze Goddess Nui, Estee Lauder. This is an eau de parfum, 1.7 fluid ounces. Let's see the date when I got this. I have the receipt here. I got this on May 10, 2022. May 10. It's part of my birthday gift and my Mother's Day gift, because my birthday was on May 11 and Mother's Day was on the 8th, I think. So some of this gift I purchased in May, part of my Mother's Day and birthday gift. So that's what I got from Macy's. Let's open the other box, the other bag from Macy's. Oh, this is a new perfume from Macy's. This is called Infinite Sky. And this is an eau de parfum. This is from Estee Lauder. This I haven't tried. So we're going to see how it smells in a little bit. Oh, and they gave me a few gifts for purchase. So they gave me this little bag on Macy's. Let's see what's inside. I haven't opened it since I got it. And this one, I got it last year. I think at the end of December, if I'm not mistaken. So this was just released when I got them. Just that week I went to Macy's and they told me that these were new fragrances. So I'm not sure about the date. I need to check. So they gave me, another tester. This is Tender Light. And I'm not sure this is a tester. This is a 0.14 liquid ounces, 4 ml. So this is a good size tester. The next product they gifted me was this Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Cream. This seems to be like a cream. And then they gave me another sample. This Cedar Violet. We're gonna try it today. So everything is Estee Lauder, we're gonna try today. Oh my God. Another beautiful magnolia. I don't know how I got two. I think this they gifted to me for the purchase. And this one I got it. I didn't know I had this because I didn't go to the little bag when I purchased this perfume. So I didn't know they gifted me one already. So I went and bought another one. So now I have two beautiful magnolia perfume. So one I purchased because I didn't know they already gifted me one in this gift that they gave me when I purchased Infinite Sky. So okay, so I'm happy. If I like it, I'm gonna keep one in my purse and the other one in the house. But I'm not gonna open both. I'm going to open only one. I like this little bag to travel with. Okay, now we are going to open the one I ordered from Belk. And I ordered this kit of the new luxury fragrances from Estee Lauder. From this line. I only got this one full size, but I wanted to try them all. So I was looking for all the testers, and I found this kit. And this package is called Small Wonders, and it's from the new line from Estee Lauder. It's called, it's Small Wonders. It's the new luxury line from the luxury collection from Estee Lauder. I have one full bottle that I purchased because the note draw my attention. So, but I'm going to try only the small bottle here, the mini size. So I won't be opening this today, but I'm going to smell it first on the little mini bottle. I'm sure it is in here. So it comes with all of the fragrances from this luxury line or collection from Estee Lauder. So let's open it and see it. Let's open it. I hope I don't break any of them. Uy, uy, uy. Tengo miedo. Oh, good. I was afraid I was going to break one. So let's see how many are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, wow. And it comes, all of them comes with the little information booklet here. Well, Tenderlight is the first one, and I have already Tenderlight here. They gifted to me when I purchased the big bottle, this big bottle, Infinite Sky. Sometimes they give a lot of good things when you purchase fragrances in store. So the next fragrance is called Sensuous Star, Drink Musk, Radiant Mirage, Desert Eden. Which one is mine? Oh, Infinite Sky. Blushing Sands. I'm sure all of these are good. Paradise Moon. And Infinite Sky. So Infinite Sky is the one I got, the full bottle. But it's blind buy, so I don't know how it smells, but we're gonna try right now. And here we have the booklet. I think it's the description of all the fragrances. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we'll go ahead and open the box from Estee Lauder. I purchased this directly from their website. They had a good promotion, so let's open it. As you could see, I ordered these 3 products. I ordered, oh, these I've been wanting to try. Oh my God. This is the cream. Bronze Goddess is from Estee Lauder Creme de Soleil. Decadent Smoothing Body Cream. The decadent word. Oh my God. I bet it smells very decadent. This is the Bronze Goddess Cream. Ay, ay, ay. So the other product I ordered is this Bronze Goddess Fresh from the Bronze Goddess collection from Estee Lauder. Is called Fresh Skin Scent. So this is some type of skin scent or body mist. They didn't call it body mist, but they call it skin scent Fresh. I think it looks more, it sounds more elegant. The other product is this Bronze Goddess. This is the Eau de Parfum, and it's also in 100 ml, 3.4 fluid ounces. This is the Eau de Parfum, and then we're going to smell them all today. And I can't wait to smell this decadent body cream. I hope it smells that good like it sounds. So, and that's it. They didn't send any gift. Oh, no gift. No tester, no sample. Let's open the last box. This is from Saks of Feet and also Estee Lauder products. Let me show you what I ordered. I ordered this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Eye Base, and another Estee Lauder fragrance, Beautiful Belle, and oh my god, I cannot believe it. I ordered this twice. I think I ordered twice the same fragrance. I ordered the Skin Scents from Estee Lauder twice. I ordered it from Saks of Feet, and I also ordered it from their website. I didn't know. If I knew, I don't order it. Oh my god, now I have two. This one and the one I ordered in Estee Lauder. I mean in Saks of Feet. This is the same fragrance. I thought they had a eau de parfum and an eau de toilette, so I think that's what I saw online, that this was an eau de toilette, no the skin scent. But it's okay. Now I have two. I hope I like it. If not, I'm going to be giving away one because I have two now. So, and the other product I ordered is this Beautiful Belle from Estee Lauder. This is the eau de parfum. And this has nothing to do with Estee Lauder, but it was a very, very discounted price. So I got this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Eye Base Cream. So since I love this line from Bobbi Brown, I think is discontinued. I think they have reformulated this product, and a lot of people don't like the new formula. And that happens very often. So I got this from the Saks of Feet discounted, because I also like the previous formula, and this is from the previous formula. So the new formula, I don't know how it works, but I love the old formula on the eye cream and the cream, facial cream. And this, if you wanna see it, is very small. It's only 0.5 ounces, 15 ml. But it's a night cream, and for eyes, you don't need a lot of cream. So I'm happy I got my last cream from the previous formula. Okay, and that's it for the Estee Lauder unboxing. And also, I'm going to try this Airing Hibiscus Balm. I ordered this from Sephora, if I'm not mistaken, a few months ago in April, or yeah, in April, I think, or March. I don't remember when was the spring event from Sephora. I think at the end of March and beginning of April. So I ordered this from them, and we're going to smell it today for the first time. I think I'm going to separate the video in two parts. This is gonna be the first part when I unbox everything, and on my second video I'm going to test them all on these tester slips over here. So to see which one I like, and that's gonna be the one I'm going to be wearing for the day. I'm gonna try them all, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe so you won't miss the second part of this video. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching my Estee Lauder haul unboxing, and don't miss my second part.